Alright guys, last episode of the Creek Fish and Lure Tournament, and it's the championship today. The two baits we got is spinnerbait versus the baby chatterbait. I'll show you a little bit better look at them right here. Anyways, for the trailer of the spinnerbait, all I got is a little minnow sort of thing. It's been on there this whole time. And then for this chatterbait, I actually switched it up the trailer because the other trailer got screwed up, but it's just a little curly tail grub. But guys, I'm gonna start out with the spinnerbait again today. Spinnerbait's been catching some big fish in this tournament, so I don't know. We'll see if this will win. Stay tuned. Let's head down in the river. All right, we're approaching our first spot here, where I seen a 20-inch trout in one of these videos that I fished. But the river is so low. It's actually raining a little bit today, off and on. Right now it's stopped, but I don't know how the rain will affect fishing. But first cast. And here comes the rain again. And I cast it over into these logs. Not really liking this rain though. Alright, so I fished all the way up and down through here. Pretty much the deepest holes in this kind of part of the stretch. Nothing I caught. I had a follow of something, but nothing. Moving on to another spot. There's a good fish. There, I got him. Fish on, guys. First fish on the spinner. Finally caught a fish. I tried other spots in between when I said I was going to move, but it's getting really windy out here and looks like the rain's going to come down soon. But hey, it looks like about a 11-inch fish. Nice 10-incher. Exactly 10 inches on that spinner bait. Let's toss him back. See if he goes off. There's a fish. Fish on. Don't even know what it is yet. Got him out of there. Largemouth. There we go. About the same size. And a tiny bit smaller probably. There's our two fish though on the day for the spinnerbait. That's a little bit smaller fish average than it has been in the past with this bait. Not much smaller. 9 3/4 inches. Boom. There he goes. Alrighty, switching up here to the chatterbait. Will it catch? So we got about 20 inches in the spinnerbait combined with those two fish. All we need to do is get somewhere around 20 inches and it'll beat it. So let's tie this chatterbait on and see what happens. Got the chatterbait tied on here, but We are definitely taking a little break right now. I'm underneath this tree. It is pouring down rain right now. Absolutely pouring it down. So another update here. I am just getting poured on right now. I can't go anywhere that it's not pouring. Maybe underneath here, I don't know. Oh yeah, this is better. Holy crap. I am soaked. I mean, look at it out there. I'm gonna get to fishing. It is still raining and I got absolutely destroyed by the rain. And it's pretty cold out here. I'm wearing shorts and a long sleeve, or a short sleeve, and I'm freezing. But I want to finish this challenge, so I'm finishing it. This tournament, I meant. Oh, guys, I think a fish flashed at it down there. I don't know how this fishing will go with this. I don't know how the fishing will go with the raining going on, but there's a fish. It is a rock bass. Not a terrible size one. 8 inches. So now we got to catch something pretty nice size to win with the chatterbait, the championship. There's a fish. Big fish. Oh, nice smallmouth on the chatterbait. Oh no. Got him. Nice one. Guys, it's pouring down rain right now. We catch fish still. Holy crap. Little curly tail grub chatterbait. Measure him. 10 inches. Go over here and toss him back. Alright, after I caught that last fish, I just rushed home. I was just soaking wet and it is still just pouring outside. I just got soaked, but the winner of this whole tournament is the spinnerbait. As you can see here, he had 10-inch smallmouth and a 9 3/4 inch largemouth, came out to 19-inch and 3/4. Baby chatterbait had 18 inches in total. Spinnerbait's the champion. There's the rest of the bracket if you want to see anything else I caught. But what's crazy about the spinnerbait is the first time was versus a little beetle spin. I caught an 18-inch northern pike, and I believe that's the biggest amount of inches we had. Was the first time we fished. We also had a 12 3/4 inch brown trout. I'm trying to look here. Nothing really too huge otherwise. But yeah, spinnerbait's the winner. So if you're looking for a bait that catches pretty much the bigger fish, spinnerbait in a creek. I wouldn't go with the huge one. I mean, these are the smaller ones of them. Other ones that I got are, get into here. Other ones that I never even used in this tournament, but would definitely probably catch the heck out of fish are these. We stayed with the same spinner the whole tournament, but we got one here like this, as you can see, they're all kind of the same size. And we got one here with 2 blades, and with a little bit, it's white and red. So those are my only 3 I got. But anyways, yeah, this spinner right here, got it done. Want it all. Hope you guys like this like little tournament thing that I did, as it's still raining out here. Yeah, I hope you like these videos, and catch you in the next one.